अजय sir.
स्टार्ट कर
स्टार्ट कर.
Okay, good morning to one and all. I welcome you all to this virtual platform for the webinar Career Guidance organized by Kokang Yanpet Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute Karjat to guide 12th students to aware about career and scope in pharmacy. This is the 265th webinar organized by the college since lockdown. Our today's resource person is eminent and dynamic speaker, motivator, and our principal, Dr. Mohan Kalesar, who is going to talk on career in pharmacy. It's my privilege to welcome Honorable Respected Dr. Mohan Kalesar. I also would like to welcome Mr. Ajay Kharshe, coordinator of this event, uh, and Assistant Professor, Kokang and Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat. Last but not the least, I welcome all the participants, budding pharmacists, and dear students who have taken their time out and graced this occasion with the presence. So, welcome one and all. So, before to begin with this session, before you are going to hear Dr. Mohan Kalesar, I would like to brief about the college. So, for that, I will share PPT with you. Hope the screen is visible.
Not yet.
So I take this opportunity to introduce about the college. So this is one of the finest college, best college and student-centric college in the Mumbai University, that is Kokang Ganpit Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat. The college is NAC accredited. The vision of college is to create competent pharmacy professionals through quality education. Our mission is, in pursuance of its vision, Kokang Ganpit Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute Karjat aims to excel in the field of pharmacy education and research by providing good governance, best teaching and learning practices, by nurturing competent pharmacy professionals for industry, academia and research, and contributing in healthcare to ensure well-being of mankind.
Hello, Poonam madam.
Yes, sir.
You have not shared the PPT.
So PPT is visible.
Yeah, make it in on full slideshow. Okay, now we can start.
So this is the one of the best college in Mumbai University, Kokang Yanpet Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat. The vision of college, that is to create competent pharmacy professionals through quality education, and mission is, in pursuance of its vision, Kokang Yanpet Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat aims to excel in the field of pharmacy education and research by providing good governance, best teaching and learning practices, by nurturing competent pharmacy professionals for industry, academia and research, contributing in healthcare to ensure well-being of mankind. Kokang Ganpit Rahul Dhakar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat, is approved by, with AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Also approved by Pharmacy Council of India. It is approved. The diploma course is approved to Directorate of Technical Education, Maharashtra, Mumbai, MSBTE. Then the college is also approved to university or affiliated to University of Mumbai. The college is accredited with NAC. These are the few glimpses of achievements of the college. The college has received Best Pharmacy College in Maharashtra by CEGR in for industry interface in 2019. The college has also received certificate of appreciation by the hands of Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe, who is chairman of AICTE New Delhi, for the significant contribution of college in One Student One Tree initiative. These are the few claims certificates for the which are displaying the achievement of the college. So the certificate of excellence and appreciation we received from Shastra 2K19 IIT Madras event. The college is also received as a best pharmacy college in India 2019 from Higher Education. The Higher Education Digest also recognized college as 25th must watch, 25 must watch pharmacy colleges in India, and this is the one of the college of it. In 13th Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar ceremony, the college has received Best Pharmacy College in Maharashtra 2020 award. In the same ceremony, our today's resource person and principal, Dr. Mohan Kale, also received award as Principal of the Year 2020. These are the few photographs which displays that the labs are well equipped with the machineries and instruments, sophisticated instruments which are required to complete the course of pharmacy. Along with the curriculum, the overall growth of the students, we take care, our college take care of it. So fire safety, road safety, also apart from this safety trainings, we also nurture our students with their health, that is by conducting various sports programs. These are the few glimpses of sophisticated instruments which are present in our college, that is HPLC, UV spectrophotometry, IR, dissolution testing apparatus. We also have a biochemical analyzer. This is the photograph that displays the enrichment of the library with the books, not only books, but the official compendias along with the journals are present in our library where the students can issue the books and uh, get knowledge. This is the photograph that displays the good computer lab, that is with excellent internet facility where students can go and do their research activity, can make presentation. These are the few glimpses where the students, the college has arranged placement drives in house and also into the companies where the students go there and give the interviews and get selected. So these are the glimpses from Sandoz Pharmaceuticals, Navi Mumbai, where our final year students visited and given the interview. These are the few glimpses of industrial visit where the students, third year students of B Pharma and also the diploma students visited various industries like Reliable, Osbro, and get to know the actual working of pharmaceutical industry. These are the glimpse of national level workshop which the college has organized on lab equipments where our teaching and non-teaching faculties arrange this workshop. This is the Mahamega Industry Institute Connect program organized by the college, where the eminent personalities like CEO, director of industries, well established industries come and share their experience with our students. And at the same time, we have organized poster competition also for the students. These are the few glimpses of the KG Sanchivani initiative. This is very unique initiative organized by only Konkan Gyanpit Rahul Dhaka College of Pharmacy and Research Institute for the students, where the students go in medical shops, they interact with the patients who come in the medical shops and do counseling. Even in COVID lockdown period, our students visited their nearby retail shops and regularly counsel the persons on the COVID as well as on the particular disease. These are the few glimpses where our students represented poster in the Avishkar Research Convention. So our student not only excellent in the academic, they are also very enthusiastic in the research activity, research work, where in Avishkar they have presented their research works. These are the few glimpses of convocation ceremony where the final year students received their degree certificates. Uh, This is the result of Diploma Pharmacy first year in 2019-20. Also, we got the 100% result and maximum students scored more than 25%. Even in 2021 and 21-22, we got the same result, 100% results. Most of the students are ranked more than 80%. This is the MOU that our college, that is Kokang Gyanpit Rao Dhaka College, signed with international university, that is AIT, Athlone Institute of Technology, Ireland, where our pharmacy students can go there and pursue their post graduation and PhD. So this is the very proud moment for Kokang Gyanpit to sign MOU with international and global, that is on global platform or international platform. Even in COVID period, we are not stopped. We continuously organized various programs. This is the photograph of 10th World Pharmacist Day celebration. Likewise, entrepreneurship development, then career development. Such various seminars the college has organized, and there are certain few glimpses of this. So this is the photograph of a Women Empowerment E-Summit that we have conducted on virtual platform in 2020 in COVID era. These are the photographs where we have conducted or we have celebrated World Pharmacists Day, where we have our college have felicitated the pharmacists for their continuous working and dedication. These are the few glimpses where the students visited Madhavbag Hospital. So our students not only visit industry, but also we organized visits for hospitals, then labs, pathology labs, where students actually get to learn about this. So as we believe in experiential learning, so lots of learning for the students. In the second photographs, you can see the college has organized IEDSSA Sports Carom and Chess Tournament at zonal level. Very recently, in month of August, we have conducted youth festival at the zonal round for the selection round. Along with the curriculum, co-curriculum, our college do certain social activities also every year. That is blood donation camp, and also we are arrange various road safety trainings and national fire and evacuation drill trainings for the students every year. The pharmacist development, these are the glimpses of pharmacist development program which are arranged for the students. Also the certain glimpse of industrial visit, that is Manpro, the sign. These are the brochures that is for that displays the various eminent speakers come our college and speak on share their experiences and enriched our students with their knowledge. These are the brain boosting competitions for the students which we have arranged in lockdown, like COVID-19 hackathon, where the students participated. Apart from that, online essay competition, then online state level innovative article writing competition, poster competition we have organized. We have organized various programs, and also the activities that are shared or published in news that we can see here. As per the Mahatma Gandhi said, the future depends on what you do today. So our college believes in this and continually works for the student development. So with this brief interview about the brief information about the college, I would like Now, I would like to request our today's resource person, Dr. Mohan Kale. So, before proceed with the session of Dr. Mohan Kale, I would like to give a brief introduction about him. Sir is principal and professor of Kokang and Pitrao Dagda College of Pharmacy and Research Institute Karsa since 2006. Sir has more than 40 years of research and teaching experience. He has 20 years of administrative experience also. Sir has received many awards, like recently he has twice he has received award from the Bharat Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar for outstanding achievement and remarkable contribution in the field of pharmacy education, that is by KTK organization on 14th November 2021 and in the recently 24th July 2022. Sir has also received Best Award for Best E-Content Creation at the national level by the hand of Dr. B. Suresh, Pro Chancellor of JSS Academy of Higher Education, Mysore. Uh, Sir has also received Best Pharmacy Principal of the Year award from the CEGR. Sir is recipient of prestigious MPA award from the Maharashtra Pharmacist Association Mumbai for contribution to the pharmacy profession. Sir has published more than 100 research publications in various national and international journals. Sir has published various books like Pharmacology and Toxicology published by VBD Printers Nagpur. Sir has also written a book chapter on thyroid gland in free radical induced oxidative stress. The practical book of communication skills, the one of the author, Dr. Mohan Kale, along with Dr. Mohammad Zay Sheikh and Dr. Pritesh J. Shah. Sir has invited for various guest lectures and also Sir has headed various events as a chairperson. Regarding the extracurricular activities, Sir is the ex-member Board of Studies on Faculty of Medicine, RTM Nagpur. Sir is also worked as a PCI inspector. Sir is also worked as paper setter, evaluator, external examiner, moderator. Sir is recently Sir is selected as a CEC member in APTI national body, and Sir is also a member of Board of Studies. So this is the shortest possible introduction about Dr. Mohan Kale sir. So now I would like to request to Dr. Mohan Kale sir to give a talk on career in pharmacy. So over to you, Kale sir.
Thank you, Poonam ma'am and Ajay sir, for organizing this webinar uh, titled Career in Pharmacy. So at the outset, I would like to welcome all desiring students to this webinar. Career in Pharmacy. You can see this slide. If you join pharmacy,
Yes, sir.
every year you will get brightness, but you have to be focused always. Career does not mean that joining a course you build a career. You have to shape your career with proper planning, proper implementation, determination, commitment, proper feedback, And you have to see that after setting your goals, you try for that, you go for that, and practice it daily. Improve your version and be best. Daily make such a progress that on the another day you are a improved version of yourself. तुम्ही हे नेहमीसाठी गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा की रोज माझ्यात काहीतरी बदल झाला पाहिजे. फार्मसी कोर्स जॉईन केला, 4 वर्षाचा कोर्स राहील, डिग्री कोर्स 2 वर्षाचा, त्यानंतर पीजी कोर्स, तसंच डिप्लोमा असतो 2 वर्षाचा. असं कुठलाही कोर्स जॉईन झाला म्हणजे आपलं करिअर घडते, करिअर बनते, असं करिअर घडून आणावं लागतं. हे तिथे पायरी एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप you have to go, you have to move forward, and you can do it. There are many and number of opportunities in the field of pharmacy. Our college, when you take admission in any college, dear students, see that these colleges are approved by AICT, Pharmacy Council of India. Recognition is all there or not, whether it is affiliated to University of Mumbai, whether it is, if it is a diploma course, whether it is approved by MSBT, DT, likewise, whether the college is accredited by NAC or NBA. If all the approvals are intact, then only you take the admissions. Otherwise, it's very difficult. There are new and new colleges are coming which do not have the approvals. So coming back to pharmacy as a career, try to understand this definition. Very simple. Pharmacy is the art and science of manufacturing and dispensing drug. जे काही औषधी बद्दल सोर्स असो, त्याला घडवणं असो, त्याला बनवणं असो, त्याचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग असो, त्याचं सेल्स अँड मार्केटिंग असो, शेवटी तो कस्टमर पर्यंत पोहोचत पर्यंत it all involves art and science of converting these simple ingredients in a product, in a service which is used for the patient, which is used for the needy. Right medicine should reach the right person, and all this exercise is always done at the hands of pharmacy person. So pharmacy is the art and science of manufacturing, marketing, and dispensing of the drug to the right person. Pharmacy is service oriented course as well as technology oriented course. Both sides. If you want to serve like an engineer, you can join technology. If you want to be service oriented, you can join community pharmacy. So there are n number of opportunities. We will take one by one. भरपूर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत. तुम्हाला काय घडायचं आहे त्यात ते तुमच्यावर आहे. And right, that career should be planned in advance, and then you should focus on that your goal, and you can achieve it. So pharmacy, it is service oriented as well as technology oriented. If the students doesn't get admission for MBBS, never be depressed in life. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही प्रयत्न करता MBBS साठी, कधी कधी काही 1-2 मार्कासाठी तुम्हाला ऍडमिशन भेटत नाही. You come back to pharmacy. Pharmacy also provides service. It is a part of healthcare system, an important component. Whether it is a doctor, whether it is a nurse, whether it is any practitioner, pathology, everywhere medicine is required, and this medicine has to come from pharmacy. So you are in the service oriented segment. You are community based important personality. So never be depressed. You can succeed here also. Similarly, if you enter marketing, if you enter production, manufacturing, and development of the process, development of the technology, development of the product, development and formulation, like say vaccines have been devised during this period of COVID. So all it is done by a pharmacist. So pharmacy can work as a medical doctor, pharmacists can work as an engineer also, both way. So it is service oriented as well as technology oriented. Pharmacist is a vital component of healthcare team. Many of you have seen hospitals, no healthcare team, basic physicians, the doctors, surgeons, all these persons, pharmacists, nurses, whether it is X-ray technologies or such type of personnel, all are included in the healthcare. And pharmacists play a vital role because it is a pharmacist who produces drug, who makes doctor aware of the drug, aware of the medicine, where it is used, how it is taken, and then doctor prescribe it to the patients. The nurses also inject the drug in hospital, but that drug, that medicine is manufactured, delivered, and dispensed by the pharmacist. So pharmacist is everywhere. Wherever drug, wherever medicine, wherever you talk about healthcare team, pharmacist is a vital component of healthcare team. Our pharma industry has tripled in last 19-20 years. From barely $1.99 trillion, today it is more than $7.03 trillion. Expanded, 3-time growth in 20 years. Can you imagine? This is a scenario of Indian pharmaceutical industry. The Indian pharmaceutical market is third largest in terms of volume and 13th largest in terms of value. India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Pharmaceutical segment or pharmaceutical sector is growing at an annual growth rate of more than 15% over the last 5 years. During COVID, you might have experienced that for the first 3 to 4 months when it was total lockdown, even the general physicians were not available. The pharmacy shops were open and they were delivering medicines day and night. Likewise, pharmacy, that vaccine, it came within the short span of 4 to 5 months period. And India, more than 1 crore vaccination drive has taken place. Because of vaccines, we are safe from COVID virus. So likewise, pharmacists play a vital role. Wherever medicines are there, pharmacist has to be there. Whether it is manufacturing, whether it is marketing, whether it is hospitals, whether it is pharmacy shop, everywhere pharmacist has to be there. Also, you must have heard that India is a pharmacy hub of the world. About vaccination, I will tell you that India is a major provider of vaccines to the world. We provide more than 40% of vaccines to the world. So there are n number of opportunities, and opportunities are at each and every level. You have heard about different pathies. तुम्हाला pathies में allopathy, Ayurvedic medicines, homeopathy, Unani medicines, biotechnology, हे major pathies. Medicines तुम्हाला सगळ्यामध्ये available करतात. All these medicines, wherever it may be any pathy, it is pharmacist who is involved in formulation of that active drug component. Pharmacist is involved each and every level, whether it is basic research or whether it is marketing, whether it is manufacturing or whether it is initiating the idea. Everywhere pharmacist is involved, and that medicine is discovered, medicine is invented, formulated and given to the right customer at the hands of pharmacist. Allopathic medicine, commonly. Ayurvedic medicines, our indigenous medicines. During COVID period, you might have had all kadhas and all that. So all these pathies play a very important role. With the help of biotechnology, you have seen the vaccines, COVID vaccine which came in shortest period of time. breaking all the records. So likewise, medicines are provided basically by the pharmacist. The users, that is doctors, whether it is any component of healthcare team, they are made aware about medicines. They are educated by the pharmacist. So pharmacists are important everywhere. You take any type of dosage forms, whether capsule, whether tablet, whether injectable or eye drops, all formulation requires pharmacist and pharmacy knowledge. Without the knowledge of pharmacy, without the involvement of pharmacist, you cannot manufacture these drugs. You cannot produce this drug. You cannot sell this drug. You cannot give these drugs to the patient. So it is a pharmacist which plays a vital role. Now, shaping your career, you can enter into any pathy. This much is the scope. It is not that you are involved only with the allopathy. You can select any pathy and start your formulation, start your industry. Likewise, you can select any type of dosage form and start your career in that. You can manufacture a capsule, you can manufacture tablet, you can manufacture injections, you can manufacture dosage, any dosage form, eye drop, ear drop, or anything. Likewise. So career is there in each of these fields. Even dear students, हे पण बघा हे जे कॅप्सूल्स आहे याचे जे शेल्स आहे जिलेटिन शेल्स असतात हे सुद्धा बनवण्याचं करिअर असतं. असं नाही की फार्मसी झाल्यानंतर एक दुकानच लावायचं आहे किंवा कंपनी चालू, हे सुद्धा बनवासाठी लागतं. हे जे टॅबलेट दिसते याचे वेगवेगळे कलर अवेलेबिलिटी, कलर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, एक्सेप्टेबल जे कलर्स असतात त्या सुद्धा तुम्ही तुमचं करिअर करू शकता. You can make career, you can select. All these things are taught you at the pharmacy courses in the colleges. And while learning, you should see that where I should, what is the best career for me, I can fit there. And accordingly, you can plan and you will achieve the success. This ampoule, or you take vial, the glass manufacturing, it also involves a skill. A particular pyrogen-free glass is required. So a pharmacist can manufacture these empty ampoules. He can give to the company where the medicines will be filled, sealed, and sold. So likewise, there the basic ingredients, the excipients which are used to formulate these drugs, these are also needed, and these are also, you can make career in that also. So capsules, you can see different types of capsules, the shells, the gelatin shells, tablets, different types of colors, different types of dyes are used, different types of punches are used, different types of tablets are used. In anything you can make your career. Different shapes of the glass, injections, ampoules, vials, even this tin which is used, even this rubber shield which is used to close the container, you can be specialty in that. So n number of, even this packaging, even this labeling, everywhere you can make your career in pharmacy. With the knowledge of pharmacy, you understand what is the requirement, and once that requirement is understood, you can make your career after understanding the things. Eye drops, the bottles which are used for eye drops. So likewise, the ingredient which is used, the active pharmaceutical ingredient which is used in eye drop, so anything likewise. Nowadays, you are aware of the Ayurvedic herbals, etc. Food supplement, nutraceuticals widely used. From COVID era, it has started multiplication, and today there is much career in these food supplements, antioxidant, vitamins. Food industry, actually it is not food industry, it is the supplements which are given to the patient to recover, to improve the immunity. So these are also included in the business. So you can make career in formulation of nutraceuticals also. So these things are also basic things are taught in your course. Antioxidants and vitamins. These formulations can be made by a pharmacist. Even cosmetics require pharmacists. Because when you apply cosmetic to your skin, to your hair, to your vital parts of the body, you should have that knowledge of the anatomy, physiology, functioning, the skin, all everywhere. And you should have the knowledge of formulation, how it is formulated, how it can be applied, how it can be used. So likewise, a pharmacist can be most successful in cosmetics also. Cosmeceutical industries involve pharmacists. Whether you use herbal soap, herbal shampoo, likewise anything. But it is a pharmacist which deals with all these formulations, which deals with this packaging, who deals with this labeling, who deals with marketing everywhere. Separate careers are there in all this. And if you have a knowledge of pharmacy, you can opt for any type of career. Only thing is that you have to set your goals at high and don't stop till you achieve. Always get organized when you are at the studies. Always get organized, work accordingly. You know, honeycomb, the little minor bees, they are making that honeycomb, preparing honey, providing sweet honey to the queen, and making that well organized. It is not a work of a single day. It involves tremendous exercise. Commitment is there. So likewise, you have to be commitment. We are making career in pharmacy because pharmaceutical drugs, pharmaceutical medicines, pharmaceutical ingredients save your life if they are used. Otherwise, it can be a poison. So you have to take much care. Your dedication should be there. You have to improve yourself daily. You have always to be focused, committed, and disciplined. You should have proper planning while doing this. You can make career. In chemical industry also, you can enter and be a successful pharmacy personnel. There are many pharmacy people who are involved in chemical factory, manufacturing the ingredient which are required for pharma industry for formulation of the drug. Likewise, the scope is there. Career options are many. You have to top that and you can do it. Pharmacy career opportunity. In academics, you can do. In higher education also you can do. Government jobs also you can do. You can enter the community farm, become a community pharmacist and do service. Research and development, wide scope, new drug discovery, new drug delivery systems, formulations, development, molecular modeling, molecular biology, bioinformatics, toxicology, analytical research, everywhere you can make career. Clinical research also, you can be a successful clinical research. Today, all IT industries, they are employing pharmacy people for medical coding, for pharmacovigilance, for clinical research, everywhere. These are a new field which has been opened for pharmacy person. Whether it is a healthcare insurance, whether it is a hospital, whether it is likewise any type, pharmacist has to be involved. With the knowledge of pharmacies and drug, you can make your career in N number. Hospital pharmacist, operation room pharmacist, nuclear pharmacist, radio pharmaceutical in X-ray pharmacist can be used. In say radiotherapy in cancer, there are many pharmacists who are working. Whether you take Tata Memorial Hospital or Cancer Hospital, in that also pharmacists are in marketing. You know, medical representative and visiting the doctors, explaining the medicines, acknowledging, making aware of the doctors about medicines. Likewise, marketing is done. Regulatory affairs is a major field nowadays has started. Regulatory means where laws are followed, whether legal aspects are followed, you can be just like a lawyer also for a company. Because when any product is made, we have to see that whether all regulatory requirements are made. So there is Food and Drug Administration from where you have to take all these necessary permission. Now, if you take India in consideration, there is a Food and Drug Administration office. Likewise, each and every country has their Food and Drug Administration offices. They have different policies. So there are different people who are involved in the regulatory affairs for each, and because a single person cannot be a regulatory affair officer for all the countries. So at different countries, knowing their language, understanding their people, understanding their laws, the pharmacists make a career in regulatory affairs and they are highly paid. This is again a new and upcoming and very much growing field. Counseling you can do at any time. Documentation part, the pharmacist can do. Analytical part, seeing the quality control. Likewise, critical care unit, it will be material management, inventory control, production, drugstore, pharmacist, the medical medicine shop or pharmacy shop, there are also pharmacists required, whether it is retail, whether it is wholesale, whether it is a any hospital dispensing, everywhere pharmacists. You can open a medical store, you can open a wholesale shop, you can work as a pharmacist in these shops. In manufacturing, right from the skilled labor, you can get vice president, manager, CEO, executive, chemist, officers, n number of opportunities in manufacturing. In academics also, after completion of your B Pharm, M Pharm, you can be lecturer, assistant professor, dean, principal. Even there are many pharmacy people who are vice chancellors of different universities. You can be a simple pharmacist at any hospital, whether government hospital, whether private hospital. Each and every hospital needs a pharmacist for maintaining the medicine record, for selling the medicine, for maintaining that medical store or medical shop. So government jobs, private jobs. In community pharmacy, you can do counseling. You can be a good dietitian also. You can provide awareness about drug. You can provide about the adverse effect of the drug. Likewise, communication is important. And you can be a part of social service also by providing necessary consent. Marketing, a vast field. You can start your career from as a medical representative. You can become a product manager. You can become a marketing manager. You can become a training manager. And in marketing now, again, product management segment is upcoming where pharmacists are employed and they introduce that product. They make literature about that product. They make doctors aware about the products, about that medicines. So likewise, marketing is also a broad field. Regulatory affairs, as I discussed earlier, again in FDA administration, persons from pharmacy are appointed as drug inspectors, drug controller, different procedures and processes for different countries. So career is there at each and every level when you can select any country and you can make your career in regulatory affairs and be successful. Consulting, once you gain the experience after 5 or 10 years, you can start your own consultation. You can be a say helper or AD person or a consultant or anyone who wants to start business in pharmacy. You can help them in approvals, you can help them in data management, you can help for market survey, you can help them in documentation, you can be a consultant for manufacturing, consultant for regulatory affairs and sales and marketing. Anywhere, but this is after gaining experience. Opportunities are abroad also. In developed countries like European countries or American countries, pharmacists' career is more brighter. They are highly paid. One of the highest paid segment pharmacist in developed countries. You can enter the business of medical devices, all diagnostic labs, diagnostic tools, equipments, medical devices, whether it is a denture, whether it is even human legs, which are if you take X-ray, or whether you take a simple stethoscope, or now this during COVID, you must have used oximeters, pulse meters, and all this. These are all in such business also medical devices, even lenses which are used for transplant also, the different devices which are used. So in any way, if you have a knowledge of pharmacy, if you are a basic graduate in pharmacy, you can make your career in all this field. It is not only the medical shop or a manufacturing or becoming teacher, which most of the people know. Today, pharma people are involved everywhere, at each and every place, wherever medicines are there, wherever the medical equipments are there, wherever pharmaceuticals are used, wherever cosmetics are used, wherever any type of pathy is being linked, pharmacist is a must. Pharmacists get a government services in Indian Army also, in Indian Navy or defense services. You can enter as a pharmacist. In railways, you can go as a pharmacist, like as government jobs are there. You can be a drug inspector, you can be scientist, you can enter, you can be HOD in universities, you can, after completion of your B Pharm, you can try for UPSC, MPSC, public services commissions, and change your career. You can go for any analytical lab, public health services, you can be a pharmacologist. So likewise, n number of opportunities are there. Many opportunities are there. You have to see that when you join the pharma course, you make a proper planning, proper implementation, proper determination, and with a committed study, you can focus on your goal and you can do anything. Just, I will not take much time, but dear students, pharmacy is service oriented, technology oriented, and there are n number of opportunities. Only the thing is that right from the beginning till end, you have to be focused till you achieve your aim. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, organizers, for inviting me.
Thank you, sir, for detailed and informative session on career in pharmacy. Sir has shared various career opportunities after completion of pharmacy course. Hope the session will be fruitful to our viewers. So moving towards vote of thanks. So I, Poonam Patil, Assistant Professor, Kokang Ganpit Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and
Poonam,
Research
1 minute.
Institute.
1 minute. Dear students, if you have any question, you can drop in the chat box of the YouTube, and we will answer all these questions. Now, the admission process will start as soon as the CET results is going to be declared on 15th, and after that, the various circulars will come from DTE office, Director Technical Education, and the admission regulatory authority of Government of Maharashtra. And if you have any questions, any queries at any time, you can question us, as well as you have our numbers also. So you can have a phone number, we have WhatsApp number, anywhere. Even if you don't want to join my college also, our college, then also if you have any queries, you are most welcome. But you should take the proper use of this all inquiries, and we are there to assist you, we are there to help you, to let you know all the details about D Pharm admissions, B Pharm admissions, all the procedures. Everywhere we can guide you properly. Thank you.
Okay, as sir instructed, I would like to request everyone to please visit our site where the contact numbers are given. You can visit our college also. We will guide you on this admission process, also regarding the pharmacy institutes. So moving towards a vote of thanks. So I feel honored to get this opportunity to propose vote of thanks of today's program on behalf of Kokang and Putraudaga College of Pharmacy and Research Institute Karzat. I convey my hearty regards to our resource person Dr. Mohan Kale sir for guiding our viewers on career in pharmacy. I also convey my thanks to teaching staff, technical staff, organizers who put their persistent efforts to make today's program successful. I would like to thank the management of Kokang and Traudhaga College of Pharmacy, without whose this program will not be possible. And also, at last, I would like to thank all the viewers, all the participants for attending the live session. So, with this, hereby I conclude the session. So, thank you, everyone.